In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a new account in QuickBooks Online using Intuit's platform, an essential skill for effectively managing your business finances. Let's get started by ensuring that you are logged into your QuickBooks account. Head over to the QuickBooks Online homepage and input your credentials to access your account. Take a moment to verify everything is in order before proceeding. Once you're logged in, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on Transactions. This is your go-to section for managing all your financial entries. Now, here's a useful tip. Within the Transactions tab, you can access a wide array of financial tools, one of which is the Chart of Accounts, a crucial feature we'll be working with today. You can find the Chart of Accounts in this section or by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right corner of your screen. This icon is your shortcut to a plethora of settings within your QuickBooks account. Look for the Your Company section. Under this category, you'll find the Chart of Accounts. Selecting it will lead you to a comprehensive view of all the accounts currently in your system. Once you're in the Chart of Accounts, you'll see a listing of all your existing accounts. Take a moment to survey this list because it provides an excellent overview of your company's financial layout. To set up a new account, click on the New button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the page. This action will prompt you to fill in some details about the new account. As you proceed, click on the Account Name field and input a suitable name. For this tutorial, I'll be naming it Transportation. Choose a name that reflects the true nature of the expenses or income associated with this account. Next, you'll select the account type. It's important to choose one that aptly fits the purpose of the account. For our example, we're aligning it with expenses. Continuing, you'll need to define the detail type for a more precise classification. For transportation, we'll go with cost of labor, but make sure this reflects your particular accounting approach. If you have tax details ready in your QuickBooks account, you can link them by clicking on the default tax code option. Next, there's a description section. Feel free to add notes, instructions, or reminders pertinent to this account. Finally, ensure that all the information is accurate and click Save to complete the setup. To verify everything is in place, you can return to the Chart of Accounts page and utilize the search bar to locate your newly created account. And there it is, prominently listed among your other accounts. Congratulations, you've successfully set up a new account in QuickBooks Online. This process not only facilitates effective financial management, but also ensures your bookkeeping is streamlined. Thank you for watching, and have a great day organizing your accounts.